Hello, and welcome to Storytime and Cooking with Foodie. My family visited a Korean steakhouse and we had an amazing experience. Guys, I've never done Korean barbecue before and I was so excited. It was another moment to connect with my family over a shared meal. We selected a variety of meats from the menu. The server gave us a quick overview and we fired up the grill. Meanwhile, we sampled the sides. The japchae, those spicy noodles, were tasty. Everything was delicious. So, it's no surprise that I took over the cooking. For me, the best part wasn't the food. It was seeing their faces light up. That feeling, that moment with my family, creating a memorable experience, cooking Korean barbecue for us was indescribable. If you haven't tried Korean barbecue, you simply must. I did it and it was so much fun. Thanks for tuning in. Let's meet again for more stories over food on Storytime and Cooking with Foodie.